I love doing learning the fun way. And I just got finished watching my daughter interact with her very own learning binder. And I also have a lot of energy right now because I took my Plexus Slim drink a little earlier. If you want more details, let me know down below in the comments. But anyways, I'm excited because not only did I see my child sit here and learn, but she learned in a very interactive and organic way. She probably didn't even realize she was sitting there learning. And she did this by interacting with her very own learning binder. And I love her learning binder because since she's a girl, it's pink and purple. Hey fun people! Welcome back to Everything Aja. If you're new here, hey! I'm Aja, and here on Everything Aja, we believe in shaping the future through family fun and education because we do everything in life the fun way. If this sounds like you, then go ahead and like, subscribe, and click the bell. Learning binders are a very effective and engaging way to get your child to learn and have some fun. And they're really simple too. All you do is print, laminate, Velcro, and they're all done. Now, if you saw this video, this is the same learning binder that I did in this video. Now, since I have a preschool girl, I pretty much changed this learning binder into a pink and purple learning binder. So if you already purchased this learning binder, then it's pretty much the same learning binder. Of the week. Days of the week. Say Sunday.
Saturday.
Monday.
Monday.
I just changed the colors for my preschool girls so that they feel more ownership because it's of course pink and purple. Now with this learning binder, your child will learn all about themselves. They will learn how to spell their name. They will learn the letters of their name. They will learn who lives with them. They will learn their phone number, the days of the week, the months of the year. They'll even learn dates such as today is, tomorrow is. Your child will also learn their alphabet and even numbers 0 to 100. Now, down below in the description, I have the links so that you can get your child their very own preschool learning binder. Now, with the learning binder, you will simply purchase and download the learning binder, print the learning binder out, and then purchase a binder and sheet protectors and put all the pages in the sheet protectors. And then with all the pieces that you will cut out so that your child can interact with their binder, go ahead and laminate those pieces. That way they will last a lot longer. If you don't have access to a laminator, no problem. Simply go get some packing tape and then you will put the packing tape on the front and on the back of each loose piece. This does take a little bit longer, but at least it lets your pieces last a lot longer. In order to store all your loose pieces, you can get a pencil pouch that fits right in the front of your learning binder. Also start saving up your water bottle tops because you can simply write the letters and write numbers on the top of your bottles. Alright, can you find the A? Do you see the letter A? Where do you see A? You see that?
Apple.
Good job. Can you find B? Ball. Good. What about C? Cat. And this way your child can learn their letters and numbers by matching the letter on the bottle top with the letter on their sheet of paper. Now I get my Velcro from Amazon, Walmart, and even the Dollar Tree. I love the Velcro circles because they're really easy. I've included the link below to all of these products if you're one of those that just doesn't want to leave the house. Don't worry about it. You can still use this learning binder. I would just suggest either using a pencil pouch or a Ziploc bag so that you can keep up with all those loose pieces. The great thing about this learning binder is once you have it, it is yours. My learning binder. K-Y-N-D-A. Good job. Can you write your name? I am. How old are you? 2. Can you draw a 2? There's your 2.
Yay! Tino did it too.
Now Mommy did a 2. I feel. Are you happy, sad, or mad? Mad? Okay. Put your mad on there. See your mad face. You want to feel happy or sad? Sad? Okay, feel sad. Say Sunday.
Saturday.
Monday.
Monday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Wednesday. Winter. Spring.
Spring.
Summer. Fall. Right now we're in summer with the sun. Can you circle the sun? Oh yes, Kendall. Good job. January, February, March, April. Tomorrow is Sunday,
Saturday.
August
August.
30th, 2020. Good. I was born on... My phone number is... Write your phone number. What's your phone number? Good job. So who do you live with? You live with Mommy, Daddy, me, Grandma, Uncle T. Good job. You can turn the page. Ooh, can you point to the girl? Where's the girl? Good job. Where's about the boy? Let's look. We have A, B, C. Oh, what goes next? D. Can you find K for Kendall? Awesome! Yay! When I tell you my daughter loves her learning binder, that is an understatement. She loves doing this page and going through all of her family members. She literally uses her learning binder all the time. I probably should make a harder one. So make sure you like, subscribe, and click the bell so that when I'm able to make it more challenging for her, you will also have access for your child. One way I made it more challenging was by adding an extra expansion pack of colors. If you want your child to learn 15 new colors, then check out this video where I show you the color expansion pack so that your child can learn 15 new colors and includes 6 really fun interactive binder games that your child can use in order to learn their colors. Well, what are you waiting